Hello, welcome to episode number 51, tutorial on trigonometry. In this aspect, we are picking some application on trigonometry. That is some questions that demand the application of trigonometry. So a ladder which is 10 meters long touches a side of a building at a height of 8 meters. At what height would a ladder with a length 12 meters, meaning longer than the first one, touch the building if it makes the same angle with the horizontal ground? Meaning the angle that the longer one makes is the same as the angle that the shorter ladder will make. So we have to assume that the ladder and the building are all on the same horizontal level, on a level ground. All right. So let's see. Let's make some analysis. So I am picking this side being the ground, the horizontal ground, then the vertical one being the building. This is the building. So now if I have two ladders which are of different length, I'm using this as different length. Now, if they are all on the same level ground, it also means that they are going to be on different position away from the building. So one can be here, one can be here. They are all not going to be the same position. So let's see, we have the shorter one here, and we have the longer one here. For just a start, we can also put the longer here and the shorter there. So let's see, if the shorter one is here and is touching the building at the height of 8 meters, then the longer one being here will start what? At a longer height. Do you get it? It will be at a longer height of the building. You can see it will starting somewhere here. Now, someone will also say that why not put the longer one here and put the shorter one here? So if let me see, the longer one is here, you see that it will still be at a longer height of the building than the shorter one. You see, shorter one have to cross the line to be at 8. So there are two instances that we can get for this diagram. Let's see if we can make that sketch. I can see that if I have the building and I have the ground, this could be one option. Where this is the angle that they are forming. Then from here to here is going to be the 8 meters for the shorter ladder, the angles, the height at which it touches the building. Then if I pick here, I can also pick here to be, let's say, y. This is the height at which the longer ladder is touching what? The wall. Do we have any other information? The height of the ladder, the first one, which is the shorter one, has what? 10 meters. The longer one has what? 12 meters. So this will be one scenario. It could also be, can I get a distance? Okay, let's see. I have the building in this form, forming 90 degrees. I can see that the shorter one is behind. So let's say the shorter one is the first one here. It will also touch here. Then the longer one will also go there. So this is the angle we are having. This will be 10 meters. This will be 12 meters. And this will be 8 meters. And the whole of this will be what? Y meters. So the two diagrams can work depending on where you put the shorter diagram and the longer word diagram. All right, let's go. If I put in values, which let's say we have A, B, C, D, E. Can I use A, B, C the same way here? Okay, let's say A, B, C, D, E. That will be giving us two separate diagrams. So let's use a different labeling so that we separate it. This will be E. So let's say P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. So that when I mention ABC, we know the diagram we are looking at. So you can see triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, having the 8 as the opposite, 10 as hypotenuse. Then triangle ADE has the opposite to be the y, the 12 as what? The hypotenuse. So that is the concept. The same thing you can see. If I look at PRS, the 8 will be the hypotenuse, the opposite of the angle, the 10 will be hypotenuse. The same direction here. Then TQR will have the opposite to be y, then hypotenuse will be 12. So if you draw this, your answer will be the same as if you were to draw this. So what will I say? I can say that from the triangle ABC, I can have the sine of the angle equals to the opposite side, which is 8 meters, divided by hypotenuse, which will be what? 10 meters. Is that okay? Then we can also say that from triangle ADE, the sine of the angle theta will be the same as the opposite side, y over 12, the hypotenuse side. If you follow that diagram, you get the same thing. But there is something here. If it makes the same angle with the ground, it means that this sine theta is the same as what? Sine theta here. So if I label this as equation 1, this as equation 2, if you equate equating equation 1 and equation 2 means that the two left, the right side of the two equations will be the same, since the left side are the same. That means that 8 over 10 should be the same as y over what? 12. That's simple equation of the two sides. And that will give you 10y if you cross multiply, and this will be 96. But we are looking at for the y, so we divide both sides by 10. That will give you 10y over 10, 96 over what? 10. By cancellation, y will now be what? 9.6. What are we looking for? At what height will the ladder touch for the 12-meter ladder? So therefore, the 12 meters ladder will be touching the building at a height of what? 9.6 meters. So you can see 9.6 is longer than the 8. The same place here, 9.6 is longer than what? The 8. This calculation works perfectly for the two diagram. If you have any other way we can draw it, that will be the third option. Do that and share with us in the comment section. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.